Hey friends, here's an easy top bar setup. I made this top bar myself. We've got observation windows made out of plexiglass in the side. You can see I installed a package of bees yesterday, and I put the queen, I don't know if you can see it, there's the queen cage right there hanging from one of the top bars. In the back we have a feeder set up. There's a divider to keep the bees from going all the way in the back. I've got air vents. There's a little plexiglass window here so you can see bees going in and out of the feeder. Alright. And in the back we have a bottom drawer. It pulls out. This is our bottom door. And under that, or above that, I have a screen drawer that pulls out. Okay. Now hive beetles will be pushed down through the screen onto the bottom board. Later I'm going to cut a pocket in the bottom board and line it with aluminum foil and put oil in it. And the hive beetles should just drop right down into that. It's an easy way to control them. Okay. Here is the main cluster of bees, and you can see the queen cage right in the center, moved over to the side a little bit. And here's the top bar with the roof put on. It just pulls right off. You can see I have a lip that comes down over the top bars to keep any moisture from coming over the roof and getting on the top bars. So the sun's fixing to come out, and I would say in another hour they're going to start pouring out of this hive. So good luck. Have a good bee season. Thanks for watching.